Hey guys, I'm Sabrina, co-founder of Trademark. I'm so excited to be here with you guys to show you why I'm obsessed with Babe Waves Jumbo. Babe Waves is a quick and easy tool to help you achieve a beautiful natural wave. This is Babe Waves Jumbo. It's a little bit bigger than our standard Babe Waves. It's great for medium to long linked hair. Now I'm going to show you how it can create beautiful, effortless waves. So I start by taking horizontal sections in the hair and then clipping up the rest. And my hair is super clean and doesn't hold very well, so I love using Color Wow Style on steroids. It's a little bit of a texture spray, a little bit of a hold spray. With Babe Waves, the good thing about it is you can create multiple different waves with this one iron. So if you do the irons either at an angle or at straight, you can create either more of a beachy wave or more of a defined wave. I'm actually doing both so that I can kind of have more of that beachy look. Now with my bangs, I really like height in my bangs. So a little trick that I do is I hold it straight up and I just go in it at the side. So you just repeat the bang on the other side. That's a way to get the curl really close to the face and all that lift. Finish it off with a little cult favorite from Color Wow. Give it a little hold, not too much though. And then for a little shine, Color Wow has this really cool shine serum that has a little bit of sparkles in it. It's called Pop and Lock. You just put a little bit on your hands, you rub it in, just kind of like comb it through, give it some shine. Any flyaways you have up top. This is why I love Babe Waves Jumbo. It gives you this beautiful loose wave.